Hello everybody, and it's day 3 in the series on how the virtual office or virtual PA can help your business grow. And I just wanted to recap a little bit in terms of the benefits and who this facility is for. So freelancers, people on the road a lot, remote workers, companies as well who perhaps are based in one city and want to expand to the next, but perhaps aren't ready for that physical address, and a few other areas that I wanted to discuss. With Brexit coming up, there are a lot of companies or startups or micro businesses who are concerned, certainly in terms of those based in Ireland, concerned in terms of what's going to happen with the whole cross-border situation. They still want a presence in the north and in the south, but perhaps they only have an office in one or the other. So if you are based in the Republic of Ireland in the south, perhaps a registered office facility would be really good for that. So you've still got your presence here. As far as your clients are concerned, you still have premises in the north as well, but you're not necessarily open so much to the whole ramifications of Brexit and that side of things. So that would be one of the benefits there. The other benefit, certainly where we're based here in Newry in the co-working space, is that it's a really central address. So you're right slap bang in the middle between Dublin and Belfast. So if you're travelling a lot, that's fantastic. It's a city centre address as well. Most of the time, if you're going to take one of these facilities out, you need to go for a city centre address. It just looks that bit more credible to your client base. So that's quite a lot in terms of the benefits side of things. As I said before, you could be more than welcome to go and Google other benefits, because there certainly are other ones. But in terms of moving forward from here, it's really, really simple process to follow. There's just a few bits of ID in terms of personal ID and your company ID. And it's a really flexible facility and low cost, generally on a month-to-month basis. So if you want to get more information from us here, you can certainly email, buzz us, or pop in or have a look at our website on thehubnewry.com. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video, where I'll be telling you about virtual administration help and the benefits that can bring to your business. Okay, until then, bye.